A executive secretary job is available. Location is Dubai and salary is 7,000 per month. Should have minimum 4 years experience in Dubai working as an executive secretary. Please do not apply if you don't have the experience mentioned on the post. If you don't have related experience, no need to apply, and if you have experience you can send CV to the given email address. A HR executive job is available. Location is Central Hospital, Sharjah. Experience required 1 to 2 years. Qualifications bachelor required. Location Clock Tower, Sharjah. Salary up to 4500 AED as per experience. Working days 6 days. Criteria: UAE healthcare experience with JCI background is mandatory. Excel knowledge should be on advanced level. Expert in communication skills, speaking or writing email in English language. Candidates meeting the above criteria should send CV on the given email address, and only the shortlisted candidate would be contacted for the interview. My friend, if you have been sent your CV to the given email address, it is not enough. For further, you have to make a route plan to drop your CV physically. It's very compulsory, and it's depend upon your location where you are locating. You have to start from one side to another side. Suppose you have been applied for 6 jobs and you have to make a route plan. You are going to start from last point, then you will come next point like this, and at the end you will drop your CV to the first point. So keep in mind that you are going to drop your same CV which you have been sent to the email address. And for this one you have to know how to make your CV in mobile phone. For this you can watch complete video in same YouTube channel. And also, if you are going to drop your CV, you can ask any question, any information when you are going to hiring, or this hiring is closed, or still you are hiring, and when interview is scheduled. And also you can subscribe my channel to related information. I will also share this information, and for any query you can ask in comment section. I will help you. A HR officer vacancy is available. Responsibilities include recruitment, onboarding, employee relations and policy implementation. The ideal candidate possesses strong communication skills, a deep understanding of HR best practice, and the ability to thrive in a fast-paced environment. If you are passionate about fostering a positive workplace culture and ensuring the well-being of our employees, they want to hear from you. If you fall in above criteria, you have HR related experience, you can send CV to the email address. 2 positions are required for a logistic based client. Number 1, senior executive HR operation, and number 2, admin manager. Location for this position is Jebel Ali, Dubai. Hiring for our logistic client. Number 1, senior executive HR operations with 5 years of experience. Salary 15,000 dirham. Number 2, admin manager with 10 years of experience. Salary 20,000. Both positions are based at Jebel Ali, Dubai. You can write to given email address. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center, but now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is the first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel, so you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the videos related to the job post. Thank you. Two vacancies are available. Number 1, senior executive. Number 2, customer service manager. This is related to export documentation department. If you have experience in import, export and logistics, you can send CV to the given email address. A purchasing officer vacancy is available. Job location is Abu Dhabi. Looking for below candidate for Abu Dhabi. Purchase officer with 2 to 3 years experience in UAE with construction company. If you have related experience, you can send CV to the given email address.